Hello, everybody. Happy Independence Day. Happy July 4th. Unlike before, this year is different because I feel like we have this leader, little mean boy or little mean girl. His name is Donald Trump. I can't call him president because he doesn't deserve to be called president. He doesn't act like one. Everybody bash George Bush, Obama, but they don't go every day. Fake news, this, that, everybody's against me, and this. No, your actions. I have wrote a letter. I'm sure you're not gonna see it. I tried. Do your job. I didn't vote for you. I'm not that dumb, but I want you to be successful, so America can be successful. It's July 4th, so I want you to sit and ask yourself what does that mean. You are supposed to be a leader of the United States. In so many ways, you are the leader of the globe, but you make me nervous. You are like a little mean boy, like a little mean girl. I don't know what your fixation with woman blood. You did it with Megyn Kelly. You did it with Mika. You have a beef with Rosie O'Donnell. I don't know what your problem is. You need to see somebody or do something. You promise you're gonna build the best roadways, infrastructure. We will have the best airports. Try to work on those so people can get jobs. Forget about this talks, tweet, and harassing people. You are trashing the office of the president. I thought when you ran, it was a joke. When you won, I didn't believe it. It was so hard for me because you have that character that makes me nervous. Something gonna go wrong. Even though I love this country. I'm an immigrant, which you don't like immigrants, but I went through the process. I became a citizen. I love this country. I pay my taxes. I follow the rules. You, on the other hand, you trash immigrants, and I don't appreciate that. You don't pay your taxes. You don't even pay some of your contractors. I can't say a lot, but it's July 4th, so I want you to sit. Ask yourself, what is that wrong I'm doing, If we cannot ask that, we cannot progress, Today, for example, in my work, I have to see how it went, what was wrong, what was right. I have to take a breath and, try to learn. You seem like you know it all. You have that ego, which make me nervous. Those people with ego make me nervous. So since you don't like immigrants, I have something to say with my native Tigrinya about you. Not for you to hear it, I don't care, but I just want to say. America تايوريدكي أيقدنا إلى زمن بعالكي دونالد ترامب أبزود سائلكي كبيت أفعال ميزانكي فويسكي إذني عيني ياي أمن كون نسو مستمرت حلم ديو قهدي لتناويس أتاتي حقياتي ودخات حوص قداي كخفة عالم تربس زتن كهتنيا حتصير أصابعتو عماتي زرافي زتمت زي قراتو سسع وحيلا زي كفل شقلتو قرأ زي كفل 10 عمتاتو ዶናልድ ትራምፕ ጋኒና ተዓደ ስርቂ ዝሙት ዓመቕ ዝለመደ ስደተኛ ወንጌል ጽልእ ዝሰወደ በራሕጤል ኢለካ ፑቲን ዝኣንገደ ምስ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ምፅራፍ ይሓዳርካ ከይትመሃር ትምክሕቲ ጋሪዱካ ከይትመርሕ ቤናይ ክእለትካ ምስ ትዊት ምርባሽ እዩ ተዓቕምኻ ሕጊ ቅዋም ዘይተንብብ በጃኻ ሳላ ደንበርበርካ ክትእሰር እንዲኻ ዓሚፅካ ገቢትካ ዘጥረኻዮ ሃብትኻ ሃገር መምራሕ ከምኡ ከይመስለካ Okay, everybody, the rest, happy Independence Day. Yay! Ciao.